New phone day! Today we're getting our hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, Samsung is keeping things ultra-minimalist this year with the slim box design. First up, we've got the internal accessory packet. Taped right to the back is your SIM ejection tool. Inside, you'll find the standard paperwork and a high-quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And that's it for the accessories. No wall brick here, folks. Hope you've got a spare one lying around. Now, for the main event. Let's get this paper sleeve off and see the device itself. Oh, that is sleek. This is the dark blue finish. It's got a gorgeous high-gloss shine that almost looks like deep obsidian under these lights. Taking a look at the back, we have that signature triple camera setup. It's a very clean vertical layout that mimics the more expensive S-Series flagship look. Checking out the rails, we have a flat frame design which makes the grip feel really secure. On the right side, there's the volume rocker and the power button, which also doubles as your fingerprint sensor. Let's pop the SIM tray. It's located right at the top left.